check in on the progress here at lot 9. So beautiful, our modern farmhouse. This is our Riley model. The unsexy part of real estate, but let's call it what it is. You're gonna live here in southern New Hampshire. Unless you are really close to one of the main cities, Manchester, Nashua, you're probably gonna be on a septic system, and this is what your leach field looks like as it's being installed. The reality of building a home when everything is just piled up in the garage. Entering from the mudroom. Last week, I remember we were working on this kitchen. So, ooh, we've got a backsplash going in with a chevron pattern. Love. Remember, they did the white countertops. They did the deep blue as the accent color on the island. They have the oversized quartz island here. As you can see, we would call this a double-sized island. And of course, the beautiful white oak floors. Fixtures have gone in. It's really coming together. I don't think this tub goes here in the dining room, but I can understand why it's being stored here until they can take it upstairs to the bedroom. Let's head upstairs. Again, this is our Riley model, so it has that big, beautiful primary bedroom. It also has 2 additional bedrooms. So here is the Jack and Jill. So this is 1 bedroom. It flows into the Jack and Jill bathroom. And then we move into the 2nd bedroom. So who's ever in these 2 bedrooms will share that bathroom. Hopefully they get along great. Moving into this huge primary bedroom. It's got the giant windows pretty much taking up an entire wall and then some. It flows into the bathroom. Oh, goodness. Watch out for the nails. Go into the bathroom, and of course they carried that deep blue color from the kitchen up into their primary, but they did add some gold accents here. Very cute. And then their tile shower. This thing is so big, so beautiful, lots of light. They went with a classic subway tile, but it has a little bit of that texture. It's a great look, it's really timeless, and it's a great way to add a little bit more interest to the subway, which really never goes out of style. And then what's cool about this primary is they also attached it to their laundry room. So it's a little dark in here, we don't have lights yet, but how great is it to just be in your bathroom, move into your laundry room, or across the hall is another epic closet. Look at how big this room is. I mean, this is bigger than most people's bedrooms, to be honest with you. So right now they're just doing standard shelving here. My gut is that they'll do some custom installs after they move in. The other cool thing about this floor plan, Riley, which you saw last season, is it has an entirely 2nd primary bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. So this home actually features 2 primary bedrooms on the 2nd floor. It's been a while since we went into the walk-up attic on this floor plan. In the Lincoln model, because you have the cathedral ceilings, the double height ceilings in the living room, you lose your attic space. But on this model, it has a huge walk-up attic that can be for future expansion. Obviously, you can finish it later on, make it what you want, but it's a lot of space up here, and it'll be really great, you know, if the homeowners decide they need another floor of living. And of course, it all comes roughed in with electricity. New construction content, then why not subscribe to this channel? I post new content from these beautiful new construction homes every week, Wednesdays at 7 p.m. And it's so fun to see what everybody picks and to see everybody's style and how the homes come together.